Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Start with opening the dialer, the keypad, because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me start with the shortest one I've prepared for today. It is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *###225###. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426###. And as you can see, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level should also appear right here. We can of course tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. So the information about the device. It is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in the testing, so here we've got some kind of tablet information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let's start maybe with the Wi-Fi. We can check the API configuration and the status. Let me pick the status, let's refresh the stats, and as you can see, we've got something like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We've got also the scan results here. You can run ping test if you want to. Let's go back and let's check usage statistics. As you can see, here we've got the list of apps and the processes which are currently on this device. Currently they are sorted by usage time, but of course we can change it to last time use or app name. It's up to you. And here we can check that basically we've been, for example, using the settings for over 11 minutes. Let's go back to the tablet information, and something went wrong. So let me enter the code again. 4636###. Tablet information, and here we've got the information just like, for example, the email number, phone number, data service, data network type, etc. Of course, I do not have any kind of information here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, no worries, you will be able to check everything. We can run ping test here, and here we've got the results. And after tapping on the three dots icon, you can, for example, show enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.